Hello and welcome back to Uday's Kitchen. Today I'm back with this incredible Turkish inspired recipe called menemen. Some people call it shakshuka in other places. Okay, this is a delicious egg in tomato sauce recipe that is so wonderful. You can cook it on the stove, you can cook it or finish it up in the oven, and it comes out just right and delicious. And you can have it with any bread of choice. Just eating it from the skillet is the best way to eat this recipe. Just take your bread and dip it in and just enjoy it like that. So I would like to speak a little bit of Turkish today because this recipe is for all my Turkish friends and family back home in Turkey. Bugünkü videom bütün Türk arkadaşlarım için de Serap abla ve ailesi, Bahar ve ailesi, Aleyna ve Nurbanu ve ailesi, Seyda ve ailesi, bütün Şehit Esma Kayaka ve Hasret ailesi, sevgili Nilüfer hocam, sevgili Serpil hocam, sevgili Mehmet hocam ve aileleri. Hepinize çok teşekkür ediyorum. Sizin için Türkiye benim ikinci ülke oldu. Sizden çok memnun oldum. Çok teşekkür ediyorum. So before we waste any more time, let's get into it. On our ingredient list, we have here 3 whole eggs, some tomato sauce. This is our homemade tomato sauce from our previous video. Okay, then we have some veggies. We have 1 whole tomato diced, this is fresh tomatoes, and we have some bell peppers, different colors, small of each, and some onions. Okay, we also have some butter, some oil, black pepper, Maggi seasoning or salt, and we have some bread that we're gonna toast in the oven, and it's delicious with this recipe. Optional, we also have some cheese. In the original menemen recipe, it doesn't have cheese, but it tastes delicious with cheese, and because of that, I'm gonna put cheese in mine. And here we have mozzarella and some Swiss cheese. You can use any cheese of choice. Okay, so first I add some oil to my pan. I'm using a skillet, okay, cast iron skillet, and some butter. Okay, the oil is to prevent the butter from burning, so that amount is just enough. A little bit of oil and about a slice of butter. Okay, let that heat up a little bit, and we're gonna saute our onion and the bell peppers together with the tomatoes. As the oil is heating up, I've already put on my oven. That way it stays warm inside before I put in the cooked menemen. Our oil is hot enough and the butter has melted. In goes our veggies. Then I add in the black pepper and salt or Maggi seasoning. Fry this until it is translucent. It is translucent now, all looking good. In goes my tomato sauce. Alright. I'm gonna add in just a drop of water to clean this bowl. That goes in. Mix it all, let it incorporate. This is a really must-try breakfast recipe. You're just gonna love it. Okay. Now we're gonna just let it come up, boil a little bit, and we break in our eggs. Okay, it is coming together now. It has started boiling. Let's wait for the water to reduce just a little bit, just a little bit. You need that little amount of juice in it, okay, since it's going into the oven. All right. It is all set now. I'm creating just a little bit of hole in here, and in goes the eggs. Finally, the last one. Okay, if you want, you can mix in the eggs, okay, and the menemen is done. Else you just leave it as whole. Now in goes my cheese. Okay, You can finish this up on the stove, okay, or you can just put it in the oven to get that brown color. All right, it's all set. My stove is off. In the oven it goes until golden brown. Just look at that. Look at this. It is so great. The aroma coming out of my kitchen now is just wonderful. Please don't miss out on this recipe. Try it out. Dip in your bread of choice and you're gonna love it. Bon appetit and see you next Saturday. Bye bye.